Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a Arcane Photoshop brush, and I will show you how to save it properly. Alright, so File, go to New, do 2500 by 2500. That's the max size you can make a Photoshop brush. So we're just going to use that as a baseline. Grab your ellipse tool, make sure it's a circle, make sure your color is black. Go to your style, make sure you have the second to last option selected. Alright, your shift, left click, and drag to make a perfect circle. And I'm just going to center this a little bit, doesn't really matter. Right click, blending options, and drop shadow. Change distance to 0, spread to about 80, size about 150, like so. And I'm going to change opacity to 100. I want it to be all black, because when you save a brush, it saves the black part of your document. Alright, so we're going to duplicate this, Control J, and Control T to free transform. Shift, left click this corner, and drag, holding down the Shift key. There we go. I'm just going to center this in, make it a little bit smaller. Shift, left click, and drag. There you go. Try and get it centered in, a little circle here. Now we're going to grab our pen tool. We're going to put a spot right. We're going to be making our text. Our text is going to go around this white line right here, this white circle. So we want to make a circle around here. So you click, click. Now you'll make a curve. You alt click the middle, Control click and drag. Oops, actually I messed up here. I need to make a new layer. Sorry guys. Alright, click. You can actually just hold down click and drag like this. And then you're going to want to alt click to make a little point, Control click to drag it out. So you can kind of get it even. Control click, drag. And you're going to do this all the way around. Actually, I messed up here. Let's start over. I'm just going to do it the normal way that I usually do it. Alt click, Control click, Alt click, Control click, Alt click, Control click, and just go in a circle around. And I'm just going to speed this up. Alright, so we're going to add our text. Have your text tool. I have the Arabic text, which is the Star Wars language. It's kind of funky looking, but it goes good with this type of brush that we're making. So you want to make sure you click that brush on top of this line, so when you type, it'll go around in a circle, like so. Just type in random letters, numbers, whatever you want. You can even put spaces in between each letter, kind of even that a little bit. As you can see, my Photoshop is lagging a little bit. The text is kind of small, so I'm just going to Control A to select everything. Your max size here is 72, so I'm just going to type it in, do 100. I'm going to try one more. I'm trying like 130. There we go, it looks pretty good. So we have our basic Arcane circle, our text. Now we're going to add all this onto a new layer. Control Alt Shift E. And there you go. Go to Edit, Define Brush Preset. And I'm just going to type in like Avari Arcane circle. There you go. Now I want to save this to my brush pack that I have, that I've made. This is all my brushes here. I want to save this to it so it stays there. So I'm just going to go to my preset manager. I'm just going to show you how to do this. I'm going to delete everything except for the brush I just made, which I believe was this one. I'm just going to delete all them. So now I just have the brush we just made. And I'm going to load my brushes to it. So I have all my brushes plus the new one. And you're going to save this set. So you're going to Control A to highlight everything and save set. Save it. I'm going to replace it because I'm adding that brush to that pack, and that's how you save it. You can also add little effects to it. You can make them a little smaller. That looks ugly. You can do stuff like this. You can have random other brushes that you can make and just add them together into one big picture like this. I'll try this one. But yeah, you can add these little effects to it. Have your own little cool background. You can make a nice wallpaper. You can add this to anything really, whatever your style is. But there you go. If you like this video, please subscribe, as more will be coming. I will also be releasing a brush pack with a bunch of different arcane circles for you to use for free. So, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.